In this little quick video, we're going to take a look at the latest Going Gear EDC Club. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So the folks at Going Gear here in Smyrna, Georgia, close to my house, were kind enough to send me their latest monthly subscription package from the Going Gear EDC Club. And we're going to bust this thing open and take a look and see exactly what's in here right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by the folks at Surviveware. Surviveware makes the best, most organized first aid kits I've ever seen. From their small personal size to their larger first aid kit that's perfect for families and groups. They even have a survival first aid kit with added survival gear, just in case. And they recently came out with what I think is the world's first IPX7 waterproof soft first aid kit. You can save 10% on your Surviveware kit by using the coupon code PURPOSE10 at checkout. Okay, we're back, and so since this is one of the little short videos I'm trying to do on my daily video every day in April here, we're going to get right down to the old stump top with no rambling and open this thing up and see what is in here. Okay, so here we are with the little package that comes in. Nothing fancy. Let's go ahead and open everything up out of here. Now, usually there's a nice little fancy card in here, but they said due to the COVID-19 issues going on right now, their printer's not working, so they just put this on a piece of paper here. Tells you what all's in here. So let's see what we have in here this month. I believe the price on these boxes is around the $50 mark, and the goal is to give you at least $100 worth of value every month. So the first item they have is this Dangle Products Dapper Wallet, and this is one of those kind of a high-tech wallets. I've not opened this thing up. We're going to open it up together and have a look at it. So see, it's in a little box. Okay, so this is the D01 wallet, and it features this is actually removable. It's an aluminum panel here, so it's going to help block the RFID thieves. And a little silicone band here. This slides in like so. You put your cards in between the two pieces of metal here, and you can just push them up here. You can put up to 4 cards here. You slide several more back here behind this leather. Or you can put some cash in there. Whatever you want to do. Also features a bottle opener, which I believe that's here. You can use this for a bottle opener. A glass breaker, which this corner here, hopefully you can break some glass with that. And pretty cool. And it comes with this little lanyard also, and there's a lanyard loop right here. And this has a retail value of $69. And then the next item is a Claris S1 Nano knife, which again is pretty cool. This is a little tiny knife. I mean tiny knife that would fit on your keychain or in a, man, this would take up no room in an Altoids tin, and it basically uses a little scalpel blade. So this is finally the first actually functional, I think the most functional scalpel blade thing I've ever seen, because you see these little scalpel blades all the time in little mini survival kits. This actually is a handle for it, which is pretty cool. And it's got little detents at that level, so it's not just, it kind of locks where it needs to be. And it kind of snaps and locks closed also. They even give you a spare scalpel blade. So that is pretty cool, I think. You know, I like those little things that could go in a small survival kit. So there's that. They're giving this a $29.95 value. And then a couple of Going Gear stickers. So right now we're at $70 and $30. We're at about $100 value. And then this is just, they're not even counting this value. This is just a little fidget spinner for you to pass the time away while you're at the old COVID-19. You know, maybe you're sitting around watching hours of Netflix. I don't know, but you know, I remember when these things were real popular, and they're still pretty cool. So there's that. So that's this month's Going Gear EDC Club. Okay, that was a quick look at the latest Going Gear EDC Club. I think that one's for April 2020. And as I've been trying to do on all these subscription service videos I do, kind of pick out at least 1 or 2 items I think are pretty cool. This one really only had 2 items. They gave a value to the $70 wallet, which that's a little pricey for a wallet for me, to be honest with you, but I know that those kind of high-tech wallets go for about that, so I think it's a pretty cool wallet, and definitely you can upgrade it and make it into kind of a multi-tool thing. But I got to say, for me, my favorite thing in this box is this little Claris. They're calling this a Escal, or I don't know, the S1, this little kind of scalpel knife thing, which I just think is, you know, you see these little blades all the time in survival kits, and I think it doesn't take up a whole lot more room than, actually, here's the blade, the little pack of blades in, and here's the knife, so with the blade already in it. Doesn't really take up much more room than that. Obviously, you can fold this over or whatever, but I just think it's pretty cool that it will fit in a, definitely fit in a very, very, very tiny area. It gives you a really functional, usable blade that's a lot better than just a scalpel blade. So anyway, so once again, thanks to the folks at Going Gear for sending me these every month so I can show them to you. As always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. You may know I put out a new video every Friday and every Saturday, and I've been trying to put out these little quick videos during the whole coronavirus deal, so put out one a day. So this is one of those, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video and have the opportunity to take advantage of some subscriber-only stuff that's going on this year, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe and join my weekly email newsletter. And every week I'll send you an email with links to the previous videos, plus any cool offers, deals, or news, or special stuff that's going on. So I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.